Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca and I wanted to pop on here personally and welcome you to my channel. Here you will find baby related videos, cooking, cleaning, lifestyle, and that's a whole umbrella of all kinds of videos that I'll be doing. Like tonight I'll be filming our nighttime routine with a baby on the go. But anyways, I plan to be doing, oh no, she's a little squirmy worm, so real quick, I'll just let you know that I'll also be doing some decluttering and organizing videos and some thrift store hauls and hopefully some fashion and beauty mixed in. So whatever I have an interest in, I will show you that. Well anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with our nighttime routine.
Our nighttime routine starts between 4 and 5. On this particular night, it was 4:40. I was feeding Ellie a snack and I was giving her her vegetables. She can definitely feed herself, but when it comes to vegetables, she is very picky. So I blended some steamed apples, carrots, and zucchini, and I'm just trying to distract her with the bumblebee and trying to get her to eat them. But she is Miss Picky Wicky. Then I gave Ellie a cheese stick and just broke it up into little pieces. She loves cheese, so I thought that would keep her busy while I got a head start on dinner. On this night, I was in the mood for something simple, so I went ahead and made some shake and bake chicken with some chicken tenders I had on hand. I also had some red potatoes and some onions on hand, so I just chopped those up, added them to the pan, and put some olive oil and seasonings on them, and it turned out really yummy. And in case you're wondering what seasonings, it was Italian seasonings, salt and pepper. And then I made some eggs for Miss Ellie Nellie. She loves eggs. At this point, Daddy was home, so he grabbed the camera and we were just being goofy. Ellie was cracking us up. I think this was the first time that we saw her eat like that. She usually always uses her hands, but on this night, she thought it would be fun just to pick it up with her mouth. And And then it was bath time, and Ellie loves bath time. She gets so excited when the water turns on. As you saw in the beginning of this video, Ellie is a wiggle worm, and she's always trying to sit up and do things herself and be Miss Independent. So this is one way that I can keep her still, is by giving her a book to look at, and then we talk about the pictures while I'm lathering her up.
Brush your hair.
Brush your hair.
Brush your hair.
Then after we read some books, it's time for Ellie to nurse and then go night-night. And then here's where the real fun begins. Ugh. Cleaning up the kitchen, but hopefully this will give you some cleaning motivation to hurry up and get your kitchen cleaned at the end of the night, because sometimes I really do struggle with this. I want nothing more than just to plop down on the couch with a book or with my phone or whatever and just relax and chill, talk to Nathan, but I've got to keep going, clean up the kitchen, and then I can relax. One thing I love to do while I'm cleaning and that keeps me motivated is listening to podcasts, and on this night I was listening to Jordan Lee Dooley. This is the time where Nathan and I can catch up on our day. And one thing I noticed though, looking back at this video, is how much talking I do. My poor husband, I'm so sorry. I need to talk less and listen more. And Nathan was so sweet. He picked up the camera and was like, "Oh, I can just follow you around." So he followed me while I was cleaning. Also, can I get an amen from all you mamas? High chairs are disgusting to clean, especially ones made out of cloth. I don't know what I was thinking when I got this high chair, but I would definitely get a wooden one or a plastic one next time I have to buy a high chair. These are a pain to clean. The kitchen is finally clean and I can shower and relax and eat a snack, catch up with Nathan. And on this night, we decided just to go to bed early. We were so tired, we went to bed at 9. Thank you for watching, and if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I'll be doing some more baby, cleaning, cooking, and lifestyle videos, so don't miss out. I'll see you next time. Bye!